How to delete wallet on SafePal. So if you've happened to create multiple wallets within SafePal and you'd like to delete those wallets, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now all we have to do is launch SafePal, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Now to find your wallet, you can tap on your wallet at the top, and this is our current wallet, right? You'll also be able to see other form of wallets if you have them. And if you want to get rid or delete a certain wallet, you have to just tap on the three dots icon, which you can find here. Once done, you can tap on this option that says remove wallet from the bottom. It will ask you for a confirmation that you want to delete the wallet. So if so, tap on the delete button and you'll be able to delete the wallet. This way you'll be able to delete your wallet on SafePal. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.